Okay, section 6.69. We're almost there. Okay, Linux is done. Let's check. Okay. ManDB. Remove Linux. tar xvf ManDB. .run configure prefix equals user doc dir equals user share doc ManDB -2.7.1 sys conf dir equals etc disable set UID with browser equals user bin links with vgrind equals user bin vgrind with grep equals user bin grep. Check it. Okay. And make install ManDB 0.4 SPUs. The following table shows the character set in ManDB. Assumes manual pages installed on a user share man something will be encoded with. In addition to this, ManDB correctly determines if manual pages installed in that directory are UTF encoded. Okay. If you're in the United States, I don't think you really had to worry about this. Manual pages in languages not in the list are not supported. Okay. After man, it's on to Vim. Long time coming. Vim used to be the most complicated editor I've ever seen in my life. Besides, I want to see Emacs. But Emacs isn't really an editor, right? Emacs is like some force. Emacs isn't human. Neither are the people who use Emacs. I have no luck with Emacs. I haven't tried Emacs a lot. I need to try Emacs just for the experience. Vim is okay for me, but Emacs, man, you gotta be from like out of this world to use Emacs. And I have Emacs installed on another machine of mine, but man, I don't get it. I thought Vim was bad. I don't even know all of Vim, you know, or Vi anyway. Okay, ManDB is done. tar xvf Vim. Let's make it quiet, because it is pretty large. But it says here, alternatives to Vim. If you prefer another editor such as Emacs, they should say, if you prefer another editor such as Emacs, go get a drug tester. See a psychiatrist before fucking installing Emacs. Vim 74. Emacs, Joe, or Nano, please refer to Linux from scratch at BLFS 7.7, blah blah blah, for suggested installation instructions. Okay. But we're gonna go define sys underscore vim rc file etc vim rc. You imagine the devs put Emacs in here instead of vim or vi? Oh my god. It took me literally all day long to install Emacs, and I think I had a 512 machine. Yes, it took me all day long. There's no lie. I mean, to make it, you know, for it to be made, right? The configure wasn't bad, but shit, the things took all day long. Thought my computer died. Echo define sys underscore vim rc file into etc vim rc, or that into source feature.h. Run configure. You know what? I'm gonna be a smart aleck. Bang 540. Make install. Here's one SPU. But can I go to this link? I sure can. Let's let's wander off while we're installing Vim. Look at this other stuff. Here's the BLFS version. We have let's see, Beyond Linux from scratch 7.7. Let's go to Nano. How easy is Nano to us? I hate Nano, really. I do. I used to use Nano, but then I learned, you know, Vi and Vim, and it's like, you know, it's a little better than, you know, I like them better. I like Vim better. Let's see. Blah 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 blah. It's not bad at all. Set fills, set history is all good. The configure's not bad, right? 11 megabytes. Build time 0.1 SBU. What's Joe look like? I've never used Joe. Capable of emulating WordStar, Pico, and Emacs. Emacs/Satan. Look at that. Make install. Done. I've never used Joe. Let's look at Emacs. My eyes will fry. Look at this shit. 4.26 megabytes. Make Bootstrap. That's how you know you gotta. That's how you know you got a hell of an editor. You don't make it, you make Bootstrap. Nice. Huge. I mean, Vi or Vim isn't that small either. I don't think so. No, it's small. 90 megabytes. Over time, I think, you know, they get a little bigger. But really, how much do you need your editor to do, right? Emacs does everything. GVim. Desktop stuff. We're on BLFS, huh? Yeah. Let's roam around. BLFS and optional stuff. What else is there? I want to look for, I'm going to do desktop sometime. I really am. I don't know when. I'm going to do a graphical sometime. It's going to take time. Alright, that's enough of that. Oh hell, we can take a minute, right? Take a quick second. Next, back home. Oh, let's see. I want to look for what kind of window managers they have going on. Desktop managers, libraries. This is all BLFS stuff. I haven't looked at BLFS 7.7 yet. Graphics frames, blah blah blah. General utilities, system utilities, programming, Oxygen, PHP, Java. Ooh. OpenJDK 1.8. Give me desktops, man. Links browser. Fetch mail. I do need a mail thing too. I tried, failed. Window manager. Here we go. That's just basic X. Libraries. Window managers. We got Fluxbox, Ice, Window Manager, OpenBox, Sawfish, KDE. Ugh. You gotta be a madman to put KDE on this thing. Look how big KDE was. Total. XFCE is an option for me, but not the option, right? LXDE is the one I want. Look how small. How many packages there are here? Compared to XFCE, which is still small compared to KDE shit. Fuck all that. Is there any new desktop stuff? No. Nice. Nice. Okay. In time, I want to, and I'm actually to the point now where, you know, I can. I just have to do some reading. I think that would be a really good thing to do. It's definitely the next logical step, right? Link symbolic for boost. Vim user bin phi. For LN user bin phi. Link symbolic for boost. Vim dot one. Oh, something's wrong here. Okay. For LN user bin man. How did I do? Ooh, good thing I stopped, huh? For LN user share man encapsulate comma all man 1 vim dot 1 do link symbolic for boost vim dot 1 $ encapsulate $encapsulate what is this dir name $L phi dot 1 done. Okay, link symbolic for boost. This is wrong. Hit. See, this is wrong. Or oops, sorry. This Vim. This is wrong too. Okay, I'm hitting tab here, nothing's happening. Okay. So I had to use my monkey senses for a minute and just fish around for a bit. And I think this is it. User share doc. Let's see, Vim. No, it's user share Vim. There we go. User share Vim. Vim 74 doc to user share doc Vim dash 7.4. Okay, now it's wrong. It's only documentation, right? But still, it's wrong. Okay. And those things don't exist. So if anyone please can run into a dev and say, do this, do this, do that please, thank you. Begin. Configuration file for Vim. Here say set no compatible. Set backspace equals 2. Syntax on. If n term is exactly equal to I term or n term exactly equal to putty set background equals dark, and if, and we'll end it EOF. Okay, Vim is done. You can read more about Vim, setting it up, doing all the little funny stuff with it. Okay, I'm not going to worry about it. Okay, now we have to strip off, remove Vim. We have to strip off these extra debugging symbols we don't need. Now it says blah blah blah. Before performing the stripping, it takes special care to ensure the binaries blah blah blah. Only thing I see down here: first exit from chroot, log out. That's the only thing I see. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, good. Then re-enter it with chroot. $LFS tools bin env-i home equals root term equals $term ps1 equals shit. No, exit. What did I do? So we can see it, right? chroot tools bin env-i home equals root term equals $term ps1 is equal to u stop escape w $space new line path equals bin stop user bin stop sbin stop user sbin. Okay, tools bin bash login. Gonna change root directory. $LFS. Okay. Okay. So we don't have an LFS variable. That's what it is. Okay. Let's just export it again. Export LFS equals mount LFS. Now let's run it. Okay, good. See? Problem averted. The reason why we don't have the variable is I screwed up and I hit the enter key when I wasn't done sending my PS1 prompt. And I entered it, bugged out, freaked out, pushed exit, and exit put me back into the host OS user. You sign back in as sudo su, you lose all your variables, environment variables. Okay, so that's all. So we went to go chroot back in. I didn't have the variable, was not set anymore. No biggie. Tools bin find. Encapsulate. User. I mean, hell. As much pain. Lib. sbin. Type. F. Much pain as I've been through with this operating system so far. I'll ride until the damn thing catches on fire, man. Let's go. Tools bin fine. Bin lib sbin. Okay. exec. Tools. Bin. Strip. Debug. Encapsulate. Jump out. Semi. Do it. Okay. You'll see the same thing. Describe why those happen and why this happens for file format not recognized in the what do you call it? These warnings indicate that those files are scripts instead of binaries. So but I can't wait. It's all done. Am I going to keep this operating system? I don't know. I don't think so. The highest I think I'm going to go is 7.3. I'm at 6.2 guy. Yeah, I like the old stuff. Nice and small. 7.3 was pretty small too, and probably what? Runs at like 48 megabytes or something. Remove. Temp. All. Okay, it says, now this is important. From now on, when re-entering the chroot environment after exiting, use the modified chroot command. Okay, we're using the old chroot command. So I'm going to exit. Okay, let me echo my variable. Of course it should be there. Now I'm going to chroot. I'm going to say $LFS user bin environment I home equals root term is equal to $term ps1 equals new stop w new stop escape w $. Okay, path equals bin stop user bin stop sbin stop user sbin. Okay, bin bash login. Okay, now we're no longer using the tools directory, okay? Because our tools, we don't need it anymore. Use our tool chain, built the OS. Yes, we did build the OS. Okay, so we're cool. You can remove the tools. Don't do it, in case you want to save them, whatever else like that. I don't really usually remove my tools until I'm all the way done. Okay, you can even take the tools, rip them off, and use them for something else. I mean, if you save them and make a live CD or something. Okay, you'll have that tool chain. Alright, so we're up to chapter 7, and this is all system configuration stuff. So I'm going to cut the video here, and we'll come back and we'll do some more. Peace out.